I was not ready.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
What's going on, guys? Jordy here.
Just cleaning stuff, trying to clean stuff.
Looks like everyone's cleaning today.
So everybody's schedule is really busy, and that's a disaster over there. I can't get this outside, and if I pressure wash it, Spoon has parts outside, it'll get everywhere. So this is my last resort. I'm motivated, and I have a time deadline.
He leaves tomorrow, guys.
I leave tomorrow at 7.
I'm not excited to be alone.
Well, you have friends.
My loneliness is killing me. And I. Right, we'll be back when this thing is spick and span. Right, Jord?
That's right. Off with this goddamn valve cover. Now that we got the valve cover off, look at how clean the inside of this thing is. Super psyched, cleaned up mating surfaces all around. We're gonna clean it. Little RTV in the half moons at the little seams, and new valve cover gasket, valve cover back on. And then we're gonna do thermostat and water pump. And then maybe a temp sensor in the head for the night. Hey, we're using Honda Bond the world. Also, shout out Spoon, because I know this is not cheap. All right, got our gaskets on. Time to put a little bit of Honda Bond and then drop it on. Nothing crazy. A little goes a long way. I'm also gonna put a little bit here because of the seam. Don't want anything to leak. All right, time to put all these back on. I didn't get new, I don't know, whatever you call the black things. Grommets? Seals? I don't know. Anyway, I didn't get new ones because these ones are still squishy and soft. They're not rock hard. Pause. I'm gonna start putting them back in their order and then torque everything down to BMW spec and pattern.
And I am back. Seems Jordy's been working hard.
Hardly working.
That's me. I've been busy. If she'd bite me like that.
Got lube your O-rings.
Crazy. That's insane. I wish I was that O-ring.
Yeah, it looks right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
I've been working on everyone's car but Jordy's today, and I'm so sorry, baby. Forgive me.
It's okay. Just wait till the Miata breaks.
Why would you say that? Why would you say that? Boing, 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 boing. Final part of the puzzle for tonight.
We got one more, but that's the easy one.
Ugh, it never ends.
That's how I felt about the Miata.
Stop talking about. All right, you ready?
Done. Let's get out of here.
2 days later.
We've been working nonstop.
The only thing I've done this week since Jordy's been gone is clean the Miata. So, she's clean though.
2 days later.
Are you excited for this weekend?
Everybody else is so tired because of all the work they've had to put in. I've still been working, I've been doing my job, I've been filming and editing. But I'm the only one I think still has the energy to actually be excited for this weekend.
The next day.
And today's the day we leave for Chicago to start our Final Bout adventure and pick up Jordy. I gotta pack up the car and head to the shop, so. The hardest part of any trip is saying bye to the kids. Just got to the shop. First order of business is helping Jim clean out his truck. I already started folding some moving blankets. Love that. Finally got it out. And I'm in the middle of cleaning his truck.
Got it. Oh! A flat deck was the thing back in the day.
BMX kid turned scooter kid.
Oh, he gets it.
Jordy, that's Jordy. That's a long.
Way. Finally, a talking segment where I can explain what's going on, because I did kind of throw in a few clips of the 5 days that Jordy wasn't here, because honestly I didn't do much besides help everyone else prep for Final Bout and just wash my car. But we're finally en route to go see Jordy. We're gonna meet him in Chicago because RJ is gonna pick him up in Ohio from his bike trip. You already know the first thing I'm doing when I get to Chicago. Stay tuned for the road trip. I'm riding with this one. This is Jordy's boyfriend.
Who's that?
It's just my vlog. Ah, ew, ew. Quick switcheroony. These hooligans are coming. And we made it to Chicago. Still waiting on Jordy because he was an hour behind us. So see you guys once we reunite.
Yeah, but my warranty's up on.
All right, no Jordy just yet. We just got the TF Works and he's gonna meet us here. So, quick outfit check.
You're right.
Yay! Wow!
Stealing my man already? He just got back?
Like, comment, subscribe.